Difference between threshold wavelengths for two metal surfaces A and B having work function phi A is equal to 9 electron volt and phi B is equal to 4.5 electron volt in nanometer S. 1, 276, 2, 264, 3, 540 and 4, 138. We have the equation phi is equal to hc by lambda, where phi is the work function. And we can write as lambda is equal to hc by phi. So in case of lambda A is equal to hc by phi A, which is HC value is given 1242 by phi is 9. We'll get it as 138 nanometer. Now lambda B we can write HC by phi B, which is equal to 1242 by 4.5, which is equal to 276 nanometer. Now we have chance to find difference. Lambda B minus lambda A is equal to 276 minus 138, which is equal to 138 nanometer, which is our option 4.